Annually, I download the historical climate data from NOAA to track the changes in temperature from one year to the next. I released a program named Climate History on GitHub, which I utilize to generate an Excel spreadsheet from NOAA data. This is the NOAA website from which I obtained the data this year. It is a different site compared to the one I used previously. The first graph is the raw maximum temperatures I recorded last year with data through the year 2023. The second graph represents the raw data I obtained this year, which ought to be the same as last year's download because I plotted the identical range. When I place the 2024 data over the 2023 data, the previous data should be entirely obscured by the new data. What you observe instead is that the recent data does not align with the downloads from the previous year over the last 20 years. The final graph plots the differences between the 2023 and 2024 datasets. What should appear as a horizontal line is actually showing an increasing trend in temperature over the past 20 years. It is impossible to know if this discrepancy was intentional or was a mistake, but there is no justification for changing the raw historical thermometer data.